Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you just logged in to Beautifully Slayed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and welcome to the family. In today's video, we are featuring Allove hair, and today we're featuring their 26-inch 4x4 loose wave wig, and I'm super excited. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. This is their packaging, and this is what came in our package today. So we received a wig cap and our wig. This is what it looks like. It is 26 inches and let me go back. So it is 26 inches long and it is a 4x4 wig, and it is their loose wave wig. If you want to purchase this hair, the direct link will be down in my description. Make sure you go ahead and get yourself this hair. If you want to purchase another hair from Allove hair, go ahead and check out their website down in my description and make your purchases, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the video. Today's video, I'll be putting on my wig cap as usual. With our foundation on, I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on. Alright guys, so this is what our wig looks like now that we put our wig on. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig, but first I'm just gonna go ahead and use my hot comb and get these hair back. This is what it's looking like. I really do love this wig. Like, I love the color of it and everything. The length, everything's just perfect. As I said, you can get this hair by clicking the link down in my description. Go ahead and click the link and make your purchases, guys. Today we're featuring Allove hair, and today we're featuring their 26 inches 4x4 loose wave lace front wig, and this is what it's looking like. This is it. This is what it's looking like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and install my wig. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my Got To Be glue freezing spray and install my wig. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down and let it dry. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and cut the excess lace off, and this is what it's looking like. It's totally melted, like it's perfect. I could leave it like this and wear it and it's good. But I'm just gonna go ahead and make two baby hair at the side, and that'll be it. We'll be done with today's videos. I decided I was gonna keep the curls because they're really cute, and yeah, I can't be that, so I'm gonna keep these curls, and we're gonna go ahead and make some baby hair. Guys, so I just finished making my baby hair, and this is what it's looking like. It's super cute. I love it so much. I really do love this color, and I love these loose curls. I don't know,